If you're using an Intel graphics card, that is, an Intel inbuilt graphics card, then this video is for you. Without using any software, I will show you how to increase the video RAM, which will boost the performance of your computer and also improve the FPS in gaming. Let's get into it. Alright, before we begin the process, we need to update the graphics card first. To do this, right-click on your start bar and click on Device Manager. Once the Device Manager is opened, look for Display Adapters. Click on this icon to reveal all available display adapters, and here you'll find the Intel graphics card. You just have to do a right-click and then click on Update Driver. Here, click on Search automatically for drivers. So if it says the best driver is already installed, then it's fine. If the best driver is not installed, if you're connected to the internet, it will automatically update the driver to the latest version for your computer. Now, let's move to the next step. I'll close this window. Right-click anywhere and then click on Display Settings. Scroll down till you see Advanced Display Settings. Click on that. Now, click on Display Adapter Properties. Here you will see the dedicated video memory. I have 8 GB of RAM and a 4 GB Intel inbuilt graphics card, but the dedicated video memory is only 128. I want to increase that. So I'll just close this and tell you how you can increase it. For that, press the Windows and our keys together, and you'll see a run window. Type regedit. Then click on OK. It will show a pop-up that will ask you to allow regedit to make changes to your computer. You're probably not seeing this on the screen because it doesn't show on screen recordings. So you just have to click on Yes. I'll maximize the whole window. Now, you need to go to the H key local machine and then click on the right arrow key to expand it. Then go to Software and expand it as well. Look for Intel, then click the icon to expand it. So once you find Intel in Software, just do a right-click, scroll down to New, and then Key. Type GMM. Make sure it is all in capital letters. Then Enter. Now, right-click anywhere here, and then click on D-Word 32-bit value. And here type the exact way I'm typing it. Dedicated with a capital D, segment with capital S, and size with capital S, no space. Now hit Enter. So, once this is done, do a right-click and click on Modify. Here we need to put the value. Now you need to understand one thing. I'll show you this chart which I have created. So, if you have 2 GB of RAM, then you need to enter the value 256. If you have 4 GB, you enter the value 512. 8 GB 1024, and 16 GB 2048, and so on. I'll just type 1024 because I have 8 GB of RAM. Then click on OK. And then I just need to restart the computer and see if it's making any difference in your computer in gaming FPS. Check if it is boosting FPS or not, and let me know in the comment section.